Hello students, in the previous session we have gone through the concept related to transformation of sentences. So now we will start the chapter. So the very first exercise is read the following sentences, write as CO and CL for simple, compound and complex sentences respectively. First one is the situation is crucial but you can handle it. Now the sentence is compound, so we will write CO. Next one is I looked for a grammar book at the bookstore. Now this is simple sentence, so we will write S. Next one is as Anita likes painting, she asked me to get her some new color boxes. Now this one is complex, so we will write CL. Next one is although my sister begged me, I did not join her at the reception party. Now this one is also complex, so we will write CL. Now from E to H is in homework. Second exercise is complete the second sentence in the following pairs so that both the sentences in each pair convey the same meaning. First one is Hannah was extremely busy but she found time to help her friend. So we will write despite being extremely busy, Hannah found time to help her friend. Next one is betrayed by his best friend, he finds it difficult to make new friends. So we will write he finds it difficult to make new friends as he was betrayed by his best friend. Next one is the baby heard the noise and woke up. So we will write hearing the noise, the baby woke up. Next, the teacher appreciated the captain for her sincerity and hard work. So we will write the captain was sincere and hardworking, so the teacher appreciated her. Now from E to I is in homework. Now question number 3 is transform the following simple sentences into compound sentences. Now this exercise should be done in notebook. Now first one is being thirsty, the crew drank about a gallon of water. So the compound sentence will be the crew was very thirsty, so they drank about a gallon of water. Next one, in spite of their poverty, the family lives happily. Now the compound sentence will be the family is poor yet it lives happily. Next one, being sick, he did not attend the seminar. Now the compound sentence will be he was sick, so he did not attend the seminar. Next, the audience applauded the team for their captivating performance. Compound sentence will be the team gave a captivating performance and the audience applauded. Now from E to H is in homework. Fourth exercise is transform the following simple sentences into compound sentences and vice versa. First is walking through the streets, he saw an injured puppy. Now the sentence is this is simple sentence, so while converting into complex, the sentence will be while walking through the streets, he saw an injured puppy. Next, he sold the car that belonged to his grandfather. Now this is complex sentence, so we will write simple sentence and that will be he sold his grandfather's car. Next, when they saw the principal in the corridor, they stopped talking. Now this one is complex, so while writing simple sentence, it will be seeing the principal in the corridor, they stopped talking. Next, having finished her dinner, Ramya went to her room. Now it is simple sentence, so while converting into complex, it will be Ramya went to her room after she finished her dinner. Now from E to H is in homework. Now fifth exercise is transform the following sentences from complex to compound and vice versa. First one is when he fell down in front of the audience, everyone laughed. Now this one is complex. So while writing in compound, we will write he fell down in front of the audience and everyone laughed. Next one, everyone was busy, so I went to the doctor alone. Now it is compound, so while writing it complex, the sentence will be, as everyone was busy, I went to the doctor alone. Next, they reached the auditorium early and got the best seats. Now this one is compound. While writing into complex, it will be, since they reached the auditorium early, they got the best seats. Next, although the play was long, it was enjoyable. Now this one is complex. So while writing into compound, it will be, the play was long, yet it was enjoyable. Now from E to H is in homework. Now then is sixth exercise, in which you have to match the sentences in the left column to the respective transformed sentences in the right one. Write S for simple sentences, CO for compound, and CL for complex sentences. First one is, unless you are truthful to the police, they cannot help you. Now this one is complex. Now we have to match with the sentence, that is, you have to be truthful to the police or they cannot help you, which is compound. Next, as soon as the chief guest arrived at the venue, the audience cheered. Now this one is complex. Now we have to match with the sentence, that is, the chief guest arrived at the venue and the audience started cheering, which is compound. Next one is, though we had informed the consequences to the patients, some of them are too stubborn to listen. Now this one is complex. We have to match with the sentence, which is, we had informed the consequences to the patients, yet some of them are too stubborn to listen, which is compound. Now rest portion is in homework. Seventh exercise is, transform the following sentences as directed in brackets. First one is, I cannot carry this backpack because it is too heavy. Now we have to transform into the simple sentence. So the sentence will be, his backpack is too heavy for me to carry. Next one, Surya worked very hard this year, so she will definitely succeed. So now we have to transform into complex. So the sentence will be, as Surya worked very hard this year, she will definitely succeed. Next one, though I have baked the cake, I have not decorated it yet. We have to convert, we have to transform into compound. So the sentence will be, I have baked the cake but have not decorated it yet. Next one is, we won the competition because we were united. Now we have to transform into the simple sentence. So the sentence will be, our unity won us the competition. Now from E to H is in homework. Eighth exercise is cancelled.